Shopify versus WooCommerce for beginners, which is better? Shopify and WooCommerce can both power an online store, but beginners often compare them like they're equal tools. They're not. The real difference is this: one is a hosted system you plug into, and the other is a do-it-yourself store you build on top of WordPress. If you pick wrong, you'll either overpay for simplicity you don't use, or you'll drown in setup details when you just wanted to start selling. I'll break it down clearly, and I'll hold one deciding check until the end that makes the choice obvious. What Shopify is in plain English. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. It handles hosting, security, core store features, and the checkout experience in a packaged way. You pick a theme, add products, connect payments, and you're selling. For beginners, the main advantage is that you don't need to think much about technical maintenance. Updates, performance, and the plumbing of the store are mostly handled for you. The trade-off is less control. You work inside Shopify's system. That's usually fine for beginners, but it matters if you want very specific custom behavior later. What WooCommerce is in plain English. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress that turns a WordPress site into an online store. Instead of starting with an e-commerce platform, you start with a website platform and then add store functionality. The advantage is flexibility. You can shape your store exactly how you want, and you're not locked into one vendor's ecosystem in the same way. The trade-off is responsibility. You or someone you hire must handle hosting, site speed, backups, security updates, plugin compatibility, and occasional weird issues that appear after an update. How it feels for beginners in real life. Shopify usually feels smoother on day one. The setup flow is guided, and many choices are made for you. That's great when you're new and you just want to launch without learning the entire internet. WooCommerce can feel easier if you already know WordPress, or if you are building a content site plus a store and you want everything in one place. But for true beginners, the first friction often appears when you start adding plugins, fixing theme issues, or troubleshooting why something conflicts. The most common beginner mistake is choosing WooCommerce for freedom, then realizing freedom comes with maintenance, costs, and control without the market. Shopify tends to be predictable. You pay for the platform and possibly some apps, and you know what your baseline looks like. That predictability is comforting when you're starting out. WooCommerce can be cheaper at first, but the cost can move around. Hosting, paid plugins, themes, and occasional developer help can add up, especially when you start caring about speed and conversion. Control is the opposite. WooCommerce offers more control because it's your site. Shopify offers less control but more built-in stability. So the real trade is simple: pay more for less hassle, or pay less upfront and accept more moving parts. What nobody tells you about scaling from beginner to serious. Scaling is where many beginners feel the difference. Shopify is built to handle growth in a structured way. As your store gets busier, the platform is still stable and the workflow stays consistent. WooCommerce can scale, but it requires your setup to stay healthy. Site speed, plugin quality, and hosting become more important. If you don't manage those well, you may feel slowdowns and breakages at the worst time, like during a promotion. If you like tinkering, WooCommerce can be satisfying. If you want reliability and focus, Shopify can feel safer. The deciding check. Here's the check I held back. Do I want to learn e-commerce, or do I also want to learn website maintenance? If you want the simplest path to selling, Shopify is usually better for beginners because it removes technical overhead. If you already use WordPress, want maximum flexibility, and you're comfortable managing hosting and plugins, WooCommerce can be better. Pick the one that protects your attention. As a beginner, attention is your most valuable resource. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.